Welcome to AmeenAcademy.com. Let us do Tamil Nadu SSLC Maths Textbook Exercise 5.2, question number 14. PQRS is a rhombus. Here, here PQRS is a rhombus, and PR and QS is intersect at point M as well, intersect at the point of M and satisfy QS equal to PR. If the coordinates of S and M are S is 1 1 and M is 2 minus 1 respectively. Find the coordinate of P. Let the coordinate of P is x1 y1 and coordinate of R is x2 y2. Now let us start the problem. Now M is the midpoint of QS, so M is midpoint of QS, so we can write 1 plus, let it here this is x2 y2, this x3 y3, keep it. Now M is the midpoint of S and Q. We can say that's 1 plus x3 by 2. 1 plus x3 by 2 is equal, midpoint M is 2 here. Therefore, from this we can write x3 equal 2 into 2 4 minus 1 is 3. x3 is 3 x. Then similarly y points 1 plus minus 1 by 2, 1 plus, no, here 1 plus y2 over 2 equal minus 1, which gives minus 1 into 2 is minus 2. Therefore y2 equal minus 2 minus 1 equal minus 3. Therefore the point Q is, that is x2 y2, which is equal, the points are 3 minus 3. We got 3 minus 3. Now we know that diagonal bisect each other at right angle in rhombus. Here SQ perpendicular, we can write fully, diagonal bisect each other in rhombus. Therefore we can use this condition, diagonal bisect each other, that is x1 plus x3, these points s1 plus x3 by 2, y1 plus y3 by 2, x1 plus x3 by 2 is the midpoint 2, M is 2 here. From that, which gives x1 plus x3 equal 2 into 2 4. Similarly y1 plus y3 by 2 equal, the midpoint is minus 1, which gives y1 plus y3 equal minus 2. Let it be equation here 1 2. Now two diagonals are perpendicular to each other, therefore slope of SQ and slope of SQ and slope of PR, the multiplication is minus 1. Therefore slope of PR here, slope of PR into slope of SQ equal minus 1. SQ equal to minus 1 is a condition. Now slope of PR is y3 minus y1 over x3 minus x1, x3 minus x1 into slope of SQ is slope of SQ we have minus 3 minus 1 by 3 minus 1 equal minus 1, which gives y3 minus y2 over y3 minus y2 over x3 minus y3 minus y1, sorry, y3 minus y1 over x3 minus x1 is equal minus 3 minus 1 is 2, 2 into not here, from here we can do x, from that we can use the condition x3 minus x1 equal 2 times 2 times y2, 2 into, because 3 minus 1 is 2, 2 into y3 minus y1. Let it be equation 3. Now we have the condition QS, length of QS is 2 times PR is given. Now length of QS equal, length of QS is, we have to find length of QS. We have the points QS, minus 3 minus 1, minus 3 minus 1 the square plus 3 minus 1 the square, which is equal square root of 4 square is 16, 2 square is 4, square root of 20. Now therefore we can say PR is square root of 20 over 2, because QS is 2PR. Now PR, we know that PR is x3 minus x1 the square plus y3 minus y1 the square, which is equal square root of 20 over 2, removing the square now from 3, now which gives now PR is this much. Now it gives 2 times y3 minus y1 the square plus y3 minus y1 the square, therefore it is equal root 20 by 2 from the given condition. Now which is equal, here 2 square is 4, here 1, that is 5, 5 into y3 minus y1 the square equal root of 20 by 2, taking square root, removing the square root, and 5 times y3 minus y1 the square equal 20 by 4. 20 by 4, therefore y3 minus y1 whole square equal y3 minus y1 is called 1, because 4 I can write fully. Then it here 20 by 4 over 5 equal 1. Therefore, y3 minus y and in square root of 1 equal to 1. Therefore, x3 minus x1 is 2 because 2 times of y3 minus y1, that is 2. Now, now solving now solving that will be here y3 minus y1 is 1 is that will be 4 and x3 minus x1 is that will be 5. Now solving 4 and 2. 4 and 2. Here we have already 2 is y1 plus y3 is minus 2. y1 plus y3 is minus 2 and y3 minus y1 equal to 1. Solving both, subtraction give cancellation, that is it gives 2y1 is now we'll do addition is 2y3 gives y1 cancel 2y is addition minus 1, from that y3 equal minus half, then y3 is minus half, therefore y1 is minus 2 minus of minus plus half equal minus 3 by 2. We got y1 and y2. Solving 5 and 1, solving 5 and equation 1. 5 says x3 minus x1 is 2 and 1. The equation 1 says x1 plus x3 is 4. x1 plus x3 is 4. x1 plus x3 is 4. Adding gives 2, x3 gives x1 cancel 6, x3 equal 6 by 2 is 3. 6 2 is 3. Here we are keeping square root of 1 x3 is here x3 is 3 and using x1 is 4 minus 3 which is equal 1. 1. Therefore, we have got the points P of the point P we have point P is x1 y1 x1 y1 which gives 1 and minus 3 by 2. Here because here the value of square root of 1 is plus or minus 1. If you use minus 1 for x1, so the points P of x1 y1 is also minus 1 minus 3 by 2. Therefore, P is the point P is plus 3 by 2. If look here, now if y 3 minus y1, if we take the square root of 1 is minus 1 from 4, or 4 is, because square root of 1 is plus or minus 1. So we can get it other values. From 4 we can get p of 3 and minus half. So therefore coordinate of point P is plus 1 and minus 3 by 2, or coordinate of y is 3 and minus half. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.